Today I want to talk about something that surprises many people, the connection between blood sugar and anxiety. So, when we think about anxiety, we often focus on stress, trauma, or our thought patterns. Those are certainly important, but our physical health can also have a significant impact on how we feel emotionally. Your brain depends on a steady supply of glucose for energy. If you go a long time without eating or eat foods that cause your blood sugar to spike and then crash, your body may respond by releasing stress hormones like adrenaline and cortisol. These hormones help raise your blood sugar back to normal, but they also create physical sensations that can feel almost identical to anxiety. You might notice your heart racing, feeling shaky or sweaty, becoming irritable, having trouble concentrating, or even feel like you're having a panic attack. Some of these symptoms can be subtle and sometimes they can be more severe. But if you already are predisposed to anxiety and you have these subtle symptoms, it can really ramp up that already underlying anxiety. But this doesn't mean that everyone with anxiety has blood sugar problems. And it doesn't mean nutrition replaces therapy or medication. Mental health is complex, but by keeping your blood sugar stable, you can reduce unnecessary stress on your nervous system. And that may help some people to feel more emotionally balanced. So, what can you do? Try to include a source of protein with every meal because protein is really important for helping us to stop those blood sugar ups and downs. Pair carbohydrates with healthy fats or protein instead of eating them alone. Eat fiber-rich foods like vegetables, beans, berries, and whole grains. Stay hydrated and try not to skip meals if possible. Pay attention to your own patterns. If your anxiety consistently gets worse when you're hungry or after eating a lot of sugary foods, that information can be helpful to discuss with your healthcare provider. Here at Psychiatric Wellness, we discuss these dietary habits with you, and we help you to understand and to create a plan for how to better your diet and your daily life to support your anxiety. Supporting your mental health often means supporting your whole body. Small changes in your daily habits can make a meaningful difference over time. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to like, follow, and share this video with someone who might benefit from learning about the connection between blood sugar and anxiety. At Psychiatric Wellness, your journey is our focus.